Overdrafting the Regions bank card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Regions Bank offers overdraft protection services that may allow certain transactions to be processed, even if you have insufficient funds in your account. These services could include overdraft transfers from linked accounts or overdraft lines of credit. If you make a transaction that exceeds the available balance in your Regions bank account and you do not have sufficient overdraft protection, the bank will still process the transaction but charge you an overdraft fee. These fees can vary depending on the bank's policies and the type of account you have. Some banks offer opt-in programs for overdraft protection on debit card transactions. If you opt into such a program, your bank may approve certain debit card transactions even if you don't have sufficient funds in your account, but you will be charged an overdraft fee for each transaction that overdrafts your account. Overdrafting your account can have several consequences, including expensive fees, potential damage to your credit score, and the risk of being unable to cover essential expenses. It's important to manage your finances responsibly and avoid overdrawing your account whenever possible.